Send me a ring and you not see it. You know say you're weird, you're weird, yeah. But you pick up the most actually. Whoa, I'm sorry to get it from nobody know. All that care. If you love care, we can make you put your money in the real now. Say, I know we can't see. No, never tell me try to clean. I can't see. Why? I'm being not shut up it. I can't see. No, never tell me try to clean. I can't see. Hey, I'm being not see. This one is here, we are lucky people. Senior people, and some of them want to kill. Your work was 6 in the morning, straight up to midnight. All of them keep it in your soul. And what you think of what we said? You think it's easy for farmers to up in the shop on here? You think it's easy for farmers to up in the sun with here? Now the farm, nothing no easy. Me no better than no taxi man. No, you think it's easy to stand up and I want to use crying the vote for him. But who feels it knows it. You feel it on me. Yes, who feels it knows it. And sometimes it feel like we let go. But who feels it knows it. You see, I feel it from me little on the road. Who feels it knows it. Oh, Richard. This one, this here, I'm in lucky people. Send me a return back. Oh, you are working now. Working away. Send me oh God, I know say one time people them used to say, once we done it go and I go run in belly. We go chill and the scene and I see it. Go give everything that the people that you give it. Who left you looking at me? Place again. When our police come running at me, place again. So right now we are set to the score. But it's already out, we are no more. And you say, Chanty, Chanty, Mount Mercy. It's up how I know people. Sing, and if you know people beat the ass, look down and let it go. Nothing here, God. Nothing here for your place. So it's up how I know people beat. Hey, these people. I said, take me on. And I said, whoa, yeah. Clean up people time. Watch way. When I see my friends turn, when I got it down, this is what I just said. When I go, and that's the I can see well. And I just and it's a truth. When I go, and that's the I can wash me through. The meditation, you know me, it's a force of sin. Let me see what's up. When it's a force of sin, I'm in a walk like that. I'm not doing no work. I'm so mad. I'm too much. They're dead like children. And I'm dead like woman. That's what it's like, but only for you. I go you nothing. You must say you back home. Either you fly home, break for your top home. See, don't be calculate when you walk home. Tell me your friend, and I'm from home. Say, does the earth can see her go? Me know you're a sing. clear all day of my life. Words could not clear up here with my sight. Some men share and just do what they like. Some you get them words here with them fun. Secret bro, they are like the trees that can't bloom, and they control you. And I know that dirty and can't slow. No one knows you, and they can slow you. When I see my friends turn, when I see nothing's a joke, but leave no fire. People that love them children right now, I want to represent. Hey, hey, hey. I mean, say, no make them take advantage of me now. Yes, young girl, go on to school, yeah. No fun and nobody. Cause that man when you call you sexy could be twice your daddy. We don't tell no for the greater. Bless your mama, no happy. Please me, you begging to make them. Yeah, listen now. Everybody say you dirty man. You dirty man. Oh Lord, leave the people picnic them. Oh Lord, we say you dirty man. You know it's wrong. Hey, leave the people. Oh God, it's Tira. No. I've been doing, I said where we come from since I won Rising Stars. I've been spreading positive message right through. All the people inside that send me right now, you love the children. You love the woman in this parish right now. I want you to pick up the phone lights and put the lighters to light them up for children. If you don't want to real peace, every real boy we are going about tonight. Let me see how the phone light around the crowd now. Line them up, line them up, line them up, line them up, line them up. You look. Hey, listen me, hey. When the free talk up, hey. If you don't know anything, you want. Nobody wait till it's too late. Alright, now I'll be sorry. When the free talk up, when the only thing you want. And if you know what you got, you are and you're just a waste man. It's a disgrace. You're just a waste man. Make some noise in the children and women that come here to right now. Say, ladies! Because I'm in the mood. Ladies, you know from anything that's guaranteed. Talk to us. She's got that